People are the most important part of any convenience store business. They're the ones that serve our customers and make sure they keep coming back. And they're often drawn from the community. They live very close to where they work, so they're actually serving in their community. Sadly, we've seen in recent times that they're having to deal a lot more with violence and abuse. 83% of staff say that they've been victim of verbal abuse in the last year. And we estimate from our crime report that there have been some 10,000 incidences of violence against staff, half of which results in injury. That's not acceptable and shouldn't be part of anyone's job. We know that people working in shops are often most vulnerable when they're enforcing the law, when they're enforcing age restrictions on products, when they're refusing to serve intoxicated customers, or when they're dealing with shop thieves. And increasingly we know that the people that commit these offences are known to the people that work in the shop, and they're known to the police. And that's why we need to do more to tackle the root cause, and we're calling on the government to take action now. In the last year, we've made lots of progress in terms of getting the government to pay more attention to this issue. The Home Office have issued a consultation on violence and abuse against shop workers. And they've also been working with ACS and other groups to raise the profile of this issue across the industry. There are still a lot of challenges as well. One of the things that we've found over the last year is that we need more from police and crime commissioners. More in a sense of putting it in their policing crime plans and having a real focus on it in the local area, because ultimately police and crime commissioners are the ones that are responsible in their local communities for ensuring that policing matters are dealt with appropriately. It'd be really interesting to hear from the panel today what we can do next and what more we need from government. This isn't just about putting 20,000 more police officers on the street. This is about tackling the root causes. That means looking at how the justice system responds to violence and abuse, but also what other interventions we need to help those individuals that commit these crimes.